Alright, here in the kitchen, he pointed out the caulking where the backsplash meets the countertop, mainly right here behind the faucet, starting to crack a little bit. Probably just it's old and it's dried up a little bit. So he recommends getting that replaced, redone. And if you look back underneath the sink, he pointed out where there was a little bit of moisture damage at one point. He says it's all dry now and did not find any leaks. So it's possible that it was either coming from maybe that valve or something above it. But yeah, pretty minor, he says.